You will be amazed by this 2019 Chevrolet Equinox. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 20,000 miles on the odometer. Whether you're on a family road trip or doing the daily drive, the Equinox is your go-to vehicle. It's the elegant solution that blends advanced safety technology, passenger comfort, and SUV functionality. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, heated driver's seat, power liftgate, dual zone AC, power driver's seat, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer. Satisfy your desire for a family-friendly vehicle that meets your needs and exceeds your expectations. Drive the Equinox.